Hello my crafty friends, it's Terry from Veegstez Creates here with a video for you to show you how to make a shaped card. So this video will be really helpful if you're a beginner to card making and wanting to try out different techniques. I am on the design team for I-Crafter. And I'm using one of their latest releases from March 2022 called the Mom Teapot. So in it, it's got this lovely large teapot, and it's got lots of florals which cut out lovely flowers like this, and then there's different foliage, and it's got the word mom. So I've cut out a teapot in blue. And it's got a cute little lid as well that goes on top, and then some florals that I thought I would use, and then the word mom. And this is an A2 American size A2 card blank, so it's 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inches. Now, to make a shaped card, what you need to do is have a cutting line over the top of the fold in your card. So basically that means that this bit won't cut, so it'll keep the card together, but everything below there will cut. So it's obviously going to be a smaller card, so it could be like a dinky little card, or you could actually use it as a tag. But unusual shaped cards like this are just like a really nice thing to do. So, and they're really, really easy as well. So I'm just going to demonstrate by using my Tangerine. It's a bit of a heavy one, this, but I like it because it's it cuts through anything. So basically what you want to do is obviously ensure that that cutting line is above there, tape the bottom down, and then run the whole of your card through the die cutting machine, and it'll work with any die cutting machine. The Tangerine happens to be like a real workhorse. It cuts through everything, and most of the time with one pass. Occasionally, like with really detailed dies, you might need to pass it through more than once, but anyway, I'm not doing an advert for the Tangerine, although if you are in the market for a new manual die cutting machine, I would definitely recommend this one. So when we take it off, whoops, we can see that it hasn't quite cut all the way through. So, and so this is a very thick card blank, so we are going to have to run it through again, but that's okay. It very nearly did, but not quite. If you think about it, this is 300 GSM cardstock folded over, so that's 600 GSM, so I think most machines would struggle with that, with just the one pass. Sorry about the wobbly camera, but the camera is mounted to my desk, hence it's wobbling. And there we go, it's cut through this time. So here we go, we have our dinky little teapot shaped card. So this would, I think, because it's sort of like a Mother's Day theme, it's called the Mom Teapot. I'll put a video at the end of this video to show you my last project using it. I've also got another one coming up in about a week or so. So 3 projects this month using this die kit. But this I think would be really nice. Like my mum loves flowers, and like if I bought her a bunch of flowers, or you know, if you're buying a bunch of flowers for your mum or for some sort of mother figure or lady in your life, I think this would be a really lovely, make a really lovely tag. You could tie some ribbon through there. In fact, I think we'll do that at the end. So I can we can now start assembling and arranging things. But this is what it looks like basically. So you've got a small card. So I'm going to speed through this gluing things down because you don't need to see that. I also cut out the word mom in 2 different colours of cardstock, so I'm going to do like a slight drop shadow, and I'm just going to be faffing about a bit arranging the florals and the leaves. So I'll pop some music on, speed up the video and just sit back and enjoy while I create. Doesn't that look so cute? I've got a little bit of ribbon here, which I think will look really nice. So if we just put that through and attach it like so, and then this could tie around a bunch of flowers, and you could write your personal message in there before putting the ribbon on. But I think that just looks absolutely adorable. So a miniature card, I mean it's probably about the size of my hand, but I know that my mum would appreciate that. She loves tea and she loves her garden, and this is such a cute idea, just for a little homemade personal touch to a gift like a nice bunch of flowers. So do let me know in the comments what you think. If you are a beginner and haven't made a shaped card before, has this demystified the process for you? Sorry, I've got pudding for brains today. And if you're not a beginner and have made shape cards before, do you think the card is cute anyway? So I'll put a link here to the other video, the first video that I made using this set, in case you have this set and you want some more inspiration, or if you want some more ideas on different types of cards. And I'll also put a playlist up there as well if you wanted to check out any more of my work. And so that's all from me today, and I'll see and speak to you soon with some more crafty goodness. Bye for now.